Hey guys, I just got this new pack from exact oracles, and I have no idea what the fuck is in this box. Like, really? I don't know what I ordered. This just showed up in the front of my house. So, let's open up this bitch. Okay, now the package is open. Let's see what's inside. And the first one is, oh yeah, it's the Undertaker that I ordered because my freaking last one, just wait, because my last one is loose. Like what? No. Let's open up this bad boy. I'm not a mock collector, so just stab it. Here it is. Hopefully this one is not loose. Okay, here, let's take on the pack out of the packaging. Now let's see if his legs are loose. Oh my, his jacket is so hard, no pun intended. Okay, that took way too long. Now let's see if this is loose. I mean, it kind of does feel loose. Let me grab another figure and see if it's like, okay, I have the Cena. Okay, wait. Now let's see this, the new one. You serious? What the fuck? What? I seriously don't even know. I bought fucking 2 Undertakers and they're both loose. Oh my god. I am beyond. I don't even know what to do. Like, I really just want to get a hammer and break both of these 2 Undertakers. I mean, if anyone wants these freaking 2 loose takers, just DM me, I guess. On to the next package. Now on to the next package. Hopefully this makes me feel better when it's done. Also, before I get it, do you guys like me like unboxing it and then opening it up and semi-reviewing it? Let me know in the comments below. If you like it, then I'll just continue doing it. Okay, let's see what's, ooh, the Fire Moment, and it's, hey, it's the John Cena one. Ooh, this looks pretty cool. Let me just get a close-up. Oh yeah, the only reason why my arena is like this is because it's going under construction. I'm changing up some things, so yeah, don't mind mine. So, anyways, here's Cena in the box. Counting numbers, Cena, back, shines. Pause here if you want to read. Now let's open up this Cena. Where's my oh? It's hopefully this one is not freaking loose. Also, comment below if you have that taker, and if you have it, comment below if you have the same problem as me, where the waist is like really freaking loose. Oh, I mean, I have no idea why he comes with a rubber like shirt. If this is a freaking defining moment, they could have 100% had it be cloth. I really don't know why it's freaking not. Some tape. Cena, blah 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 blah. Yeah, that little line right there, way more hard to open it. Here's Cena out of the packaging. Here's his chain. Here's his hat. It's on the ready to go. We'll just take it out. Here's a chain gang boy. I mean, it's pretty cool to have another Cena in this shorts mode again. Okay, there are the Worldwide rings, and these are 100% way better than the ones that came with chocolate banks, because these actually stay on. Because see, there's like two things that actually hang onto the hand and not just one, so you can just like slide it in, whatever. Here's the chain up close. Yeah. And upon further review at the Taker, I'm trying to find the t-shirt, the mask. It doesn't even freaking fit on his face. It does not look like that on the old figure at all. It's not supposed to look like that. This Taker's fucking piece of shit. Guys, here's the paper that came in it. Black and white. This one side's going cheap. I remember when they had full-on magazine types that's like this size, but now just a flimsy piece of paper. That thing looks gorgeous. Getting it. Update, found a shirt. I have no idea how it got under this bookshelf thingy. I kind of don't want to get it because there are spiders under here. Yo! Okay, here's the t-shirt. 54. Back 54. And, yeah. Pretty much it. And, the armbands, it's freaking painted. It's not like this is like this can legit just be a basic figure. You know what I mean? Nothing really special about it except for these old life things in the hat, but not really special at all. I like it, but I mean, yeah. I guess that's it. I'm gonna end the video here because I probably talked for way too long. I got mad at that tape and I'm gonna show it. So just like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at East Coast Figs, and I'll see you guys in the next video.